Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen, once again showing you our newest stock. Today is the turn of the stylish and practical Volkswagen Arteon shooting brake, available here in the sporty R-Line trim. The exterior is painted in Pyrite silver metallic colour and is powered by a 2-litre TDI 200 PS engine with a DSG gearbox and the even convenience of 4MOTION all-wheel drive, making this an ideal car for all year round driving. Loads to enjoy with this model, with key exterior features benefiting from full LED headlights with signature-shaped LED daytime running lights. Whilst around the side, you'll enjoy these large 19-inch Montevideo black diamond-turned alloy wheels to contrast the paint. In the rear, you also find signature-shaped LED taillights with this sequential effect here, whilst prominent R-Line badging can be found on either side of this vehicle, complemented by a sliding panoramic sunroof with a tilt sliding function. For easy access, keyless entry and start will also feature a power-operated tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area, and that's even before you folded down the rear seats. Passengers in the rear will enjoy seating for 3 with this part leather and suede upholstery, along with 2 ISOFIX charge anchor points, center armors with cup holders, and even their own air vents. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts will grace the cabin as well, along with upgraded front bucket sport seats that will really hug you in and feature part electric adjustment. The driver won't be complaining with this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel operating the digital cockpit up ahead, featuring dynamic roadside recognition camera as well as a host of active safety systems. Additionally, satellite navigation can be projected directly ahead of you, and choose from 3 customizable screens to find your favorite one. If that wasn't enough for you, you even have full audio controls for your music and Bluetooth telephony. In the center, 8-inch Discover Nav system will have all your entertainment needs covered with the likes of FM and DAB radio, along with additional media source inputs. Pairing your phone for Bluetooth couldn't be easier, and the built-in sat-nav can be brought back to the center screen if you prefer. However, don't panic, as you always have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, with numerous vehicle system settings on offer as well. For the music fans amongst you, there's also an adjustable speaker sound system, and the assistants I mentioned earlier can also be easily operated from the center screen if you prefer. Selectable drive modes will feature a more sporty drive or eco-efficient one, and helping you park are audible and visual front and rear sensors at all times. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use 2-zone climate can be operated from the screen, or the haptic touch-sensitive controls below, complemented here by winter pack heated front seats. Overhead, you'll find easy controls operating the electric sunshade blind and retractable sunroof as well.